Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Perfect crispy dosa at home without sticking or oil spilling. Today I am tasting this extra thick 4.88 mm dosa tava. Today I am unboxing this Futura non-stick dosa tava by Hawkins. Packaging is simple and safe. Let's check it out. Wow, first impression, it looks really premium and strong. Smooth non-stick coating looks very high quality. Handle feels sturdy and comfortable to hold. And this is the highlight, 4.88 mm extra thick body. You can actually feel the weight. This thickness help in better heat retention and even cooking. It comes with superior German non-stick coatings and 2-year guarantees Brick Plus. Now let's test it in real cooking. So guys, water droplets evaporating evenly, that means heat up properly. Adding dosa batter spreadly is super smooth and non-sticking at all. Just a little oil is enough. Edges are turning crispy and cooking is very even. And see this non-sticking, it comes off easily. Flipping is effortless and look at this color, perfectly golden and crispy. So my honest review after using it, excellent heating retention, even cooking throughout. Non-stick works really well, required less oil, easy to handle, perfect for making dosa at home without any hassle. If you love making crispy dosa at home, this tawa is definitely worth trying. Follow me for more honest kitchen reviews and easy recipes, and tell me in comment crispy dosa or soft dosa. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link in the description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.